Hello to the team at MCH Floor Covering. My name's Jeff Bradley, and I wanted to make you this video to show you a couple of simple things you can do to your website that will greatly impact your Google ranking. So I checked your ranking, and using the search words hardwood flooring in Kent, I found that you are on page 4, and you're about halfway down. I've got you highlighted there. However, according to Google, 92% of people searching on Google never look past page 1. So that is a huge percentage of people not seeing you. So we need to get you bumped up in the rankings and onto page 1, which will multiply times 10 at least the number of people who will see you. And here is how we can get you headed in that direction. So the very first thing that Google looks at when ranking a website is the title tag. And these blue lines of text are title tags. And here's yours. The title tag tells Google what it is that you want to rank for, and it's also telling Google that these are the very search words or keywords that you want people to use to find you with. Now, I searched using hardwood flooring in Kent, and that is a very, very high traffic volume keyword, hardwood flooring. But the problem here is that nobody searching for hardwood flooring would even know to type in solid hardwood. So I'm thinking that if you were to reconfigure your title tag to be something like hardwood flooring dash flooring installation dash Kent, Washington dash MCH flooring, that would go a long way in creating that crystal clear channel of communication between your website and Google's algorithm. So let me show you how critically important it is to get the correct search word in your title tag. If I copy yours as is, open up a new tab and paste it into the search bar, paste and go, using your search words that you currently have in your title tag, you are now number 1 on page 1 of my new search. So anybody using these very words, you are the first business that people would see. But again, very few people would ever know to type in solid hardwood. So I'm thinking that this simple reconfiguration would go a long way in helping your website to rank better. Now, this ties in with a second issue that I wanted to point out to you, which is the second thing that Google looks at when ranking a website, and that's your H1. Now, the H1 is a line of text on your website that also contains the keywords that you want people to use to find you with. And the H1 needs to match your title tag exactly. So if we go to your website, I'm going to open up this scanning tool, come down, and we find out that your H1 is solid hardwood flooring. And again, it's not matching precisely what you have in your title tag. It's got some of the keywords, but it's not configured in the same way. And again, nobody searching for your services are likely to use, they would not type in solid hardwood flooring into their search. So these simple fixes alone would have a huge impact, like I said, on your Google ranking, because they would begin to create that crystal clear channel of communication between your website and Google's algorithm that I mentioned earlier, which is the basis upon which Google ranks a website. And then if you look at your, let's close that. If you look at your services page, if you were, since you already have separate pages for each one of these services, if you created a title tag for each one of these pages that contains these keywords, laminate flooring, engineered hardwood flooring, etc., and then also created a matching H1 for each one of those pages, I think that not only your home page, but all of your services pages would begin to rank. They would begin to improve their rankings greatly on Google. So just some thoughts I wanted to run past you. If you'd like to know more about all of this stuff, I know it can be confusing, just reply back and let me know. I'd be happy to answer all your questions. Currently, as things stand, Google is somewhat confused about what you want to rank for. And so consequently, Google doesn't know who to direct to you. And when that happens, Google will instead red flag and demote your website. So if you would like to know more about all of this and some of the other ranking factors too that I haven't mentioned, just reply back and I would be happy to answer all your questions. We can have a quick chat about these things. This is what I do. I get businesses ranked onto page 1 of Google and ultimately into the top 3 spots, which will automatically triple or quadruple your monthly revenue. So reply back and let me know. I look forward to talking with you, and I hope you're having a great day. Take care, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.